What's good, y'all? So your boy just got nominated for Content Creator of the Year at the Connecticut Barber Expo, which is the biggest expo in the United States. First off, I just want to say that I'm humbled for this opportunity to be a nominee. There are 15 nominees total, and of those 15, a bunch of them are homies, and I'm just extremely grateful to be surrounded in this nominee pool by a bunch of great content creators. It's going to be extremely hard to narrow down the winner, but if you have vibe with my content, if you found it useful, if you found it funny, if you found it informational, go to ctbarberexpo.com, click the right top hand corner, create a drop down screen where you can click Barber Grammys, click the Barber Grammys tab, scroll down till you get to creative content, click vote now. A bunch of videos from different content creators will pop up. You can find mine, click vote now, where it'll create a screen where you can put your first name, last name, email address, and you can select the barber that you are nominating. So once again, I appreciate everybody's support. Good luck to all those who are nominees. And once again, I appreciate y'all. All right, my fine folks of YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Today we got an unboxing or unbagging, so to speak.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
We got a mod from Elite Clipper Mods. So inside this package here, we got the I got the GTX Blade separate, but inside this that I got from Elite Clipper Mods is a mod for the TPOB Demon, the GTX. So there that is, Elite Clipper Mods on the back. So we got that. Blade came separate. I got the blade myself, but this is the GTX replacement blade there. So you can see that. And what we're going to do is throw this on the TPOB Demon. Let's get to it. So for this mod, we don't need much. Got our screwdriver, got our blade, got the actual mod parts in there, and you have your trimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the GTX blade first. Take this tape off, open up our blade. I think it opens up right there. There we go. So it comes with your stationary blade and your cutting blade. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this onto this one right here. Next thing we're gonna do, take the screws off of the actual blade, the screws that are holding the blade to the actual clipper or trimmer. So we don't mix up our screws, we're gonna go ahead and throw the original screws in that plastic right there. Get this blade popped off. And we'll put the original blade aside over here. Then we're gonna go ahead and get our pieces for the mod out. If you need instructions on how to actually do this, you can just scan this QR code here and it'll get you to where you need to be. It'll pop up something that'll show you instructions on how to actually do the mod. But let's get these pieces out. You have your actual, this is like an extender for the blade here. Then you actually have your cam follower, which goes on the inside here, or attaches to your cutting blade, I'm sorry. So this attaches to your cutting blade. Then you have your extender, which will help stand this up more on this side here. So that'll go there so that your blade can actually meet the cam follower. So that's what we're gonna do now. So on here you have two gold pieces. The bigger holes go onto the trimmer, and then you use your little small screws that it comes with, little flat head. You throw those in there, and you're gonna screw this to the trimmer. So there's a trimmer all put together with the mod on there. There's the ANDIS GTX Blade with all the modifications already attached. I'll give you guys a sound test what it sounds like. Very quiet trimmer. You can see it's gap very close, so we'll get it in the shop. We'll get somebody in the chair and use it from there, see how it lines up, how it balds out and all that. But works very well. Pleased to say that it was very easy to put together. So if you guys are looking to get this mod, go hit up Elite Clipper Mods. But stay tuned for the rest of the demonstration. All right, y'all, we got the ANDIS GTX Blade on the T-Pop Demon. I'm gonna go ahead and ball it out and show y'all what it's working like. If y'all are wondering why you can see the other side bald, is because I'm also recording part of it for a reel, and you'll probably see the reel before you see the actual YouTube video. But it gets that completely bald real quick, real nice and easy. So this side, we're gonna go ahead and go downward with the blade, so you can see how close that gets, and that gets super close, and you can hear the hair slicing, which is pretty cool. If you guys are ANDIS GTX Blade fans, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this mod here. But there's that part, and we'll go ahead and go the opposite way with the blade flat, and you could really hear the hair crunching, which I think is cool. But it is balling out, not snagging no hair, not pulling, not irritating, cutting the hair on the cheek where his beard is, or sideburns, long sideburns. I don't know what y'all want to call them, but got it getting around the ear here. This TY blade just makes it extra easy to get around tight corners and areas like that. But yeah, pretty much that's the performance portion for this. Then we'll go ahead and do the edge up portion a little bit later in this video. Well, not later, next after this, we're gonna show you the edge up portion and see how it performs when doing the front and vertical bars. Now this portion, we're gonna go ahead and do the front edge up. I'm gonna go ahead and get it nice and crispy right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the front edge up and the middle back a little bit because it does have a little peak that we try to get rid of. And then we're just gonna go ahead and slice through the front line and then go ahead and match up our vertical bar. But you can see it slices through nice and crispy, really with ease, honestly. The modification works very well. I highly suggest, if you are a ANDIS GTX fan, that you go ahead and cop this blade and mod if you want to throw it on your TPOB Phantom. I know everybody likes to customize and do different things to themselves, but yeah, you can see there, edge up nice and crispy. Go ahead and edge up his mustache now. Get that cleaned up, and then clean these little hairs up, and yeah, it's pretty much it for the demonstration portion there. So my overall thoughts on the TPOB Phantom with the Elite Clipper mod is that they slice, and you guys seen by the video that they do work. They eat through it. I like the way that you can hear the crunch sound with it. The mod is pretty sturdy. It's easy to use, easy to put together. It's nothing too difficult. It all fit very well, so that's another plus to it. The other positive is I believe it's like 15 to 20 bucks if you go to the website, the Elite Clipper Mods website. It does not come with the GTX blade, so make sure you guys keep that in mind. You do have to acquire your own GTX blade to throw on the mod, but it's just a modification. But overall, I give this a 10 out of 10 as far as the mod and the how it's effective behind the chair, also how it fit. And just overall how it performs. So if you're not following Elite Clipper Mods, go to Instagram and follow Elite Clipper Mods on IG. Go show some love and support to their page, and also go copy a mod and just try something new. It gets very boring behind the chair sometimes, but if you try to spice it up, get new tools, get new modifications, try new hairstyles, you got to find a way to try to get through the monotony of barbering sometimes, because sometimes there's those plateaus where it's just the same thing over and over again. So keep it fresh, keep it new. Go follow Elite Clipper Mods on IG. Follow me on IG at Jayblends_. I appreciate everybody for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on post notifications. Until next time, God bless.